Welcome. This is Waec year 2018 Commerce Pass question. Question number 38 says, which of the following functions is not performed by the Export Promotion Council? That is, it is not a function among these four options that is not a function of Export Promotion Council. Which one is not? A. Prevention of importation of harmful goods. B. Provision of credit facilities to exporters. C. Provision of technical advice to exporters. D. Creation of export free zones. The correct option here is option A, that is prevention of importation of harmful goods. So no, and as a matter of fact, no country will want to import harmful products, or what we call contraband products, into a country, and so on and so forth. So it is not a function, and you also know that it is the function of this Export Promotion Council to consign its service to both import and export. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.